Hi friends, and again the taking the problems are very important topics. Entire function. Entire function are related to the problems every years come to that topics. Entire function are related similarities, poles, and so on. So before this was this my share notes, not quick explanation, not here is any proof, only some theorems and some properties. Only write down this. So before was this, please तो फ्रेंड्स सब्सक्राइब चैनल्स मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, लाइक्स जरूर लाइक्स करें एंड शेयर करें, कमेंट दें जिससे कि और मैं अच्छा करने का प्रयास कर सकूं और आपकी हेल्प होती रहे. So now come to the simple, what is the entire function first. Entire function means suppose that is एक plane friends given है, अगर उस planes के each and every points पे, that is on the each and every point the function is analytic, so that type of function is called analytic function. Any one every plane is given, each and every points function have analytics, so that case function is entire. एक simple words. So that is here करें कि function which is analytic everywhere in finite plane except infinity, that is important, except infinity is called entire function. And or other words में हम इसको कह सकते हैं, if f of z is analytic on the whole complex plane then it is called to be the entire function. Analytics whole plane पे there is also a function, otherwise another words function f of z is called entire if it has the represent of the form, that form this is valid for mod z less than infinite, that is valid if function f of z is here is entire if and only if, that is here follow that rules, otherwise the radius of converge is the infinite. Means entire function can be represented by Taylor series which has radius of convergence in infinite. Others properties है, if the power series has infinite radius of convergence then it is represent entire function. बस रेडियस ऑफ सीरीज कोई है और वो रिप्रेजेंट कैसे कर रहा है आपको, रेडियस ऑफ कन्वर्जेंट दैट इज इनफाइनाइट, सो इट मींस विच इज इंटायर फंक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, सो दैट इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन. हियर इज आल्सो आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज इज हियर प्रॉपर्टीज है एक कॉची रूट टेस्ट जो आपका है, सो यूज दिस एंड फाइंड आउट. नाउ गो टू द अनदर प्रॉपर्टीज हियर. And the properties friends, if an entire function has no singularities, and infinite, then it is a constant. It is a merely a constant. That is a constant. Next property is if entire function, if a entire function if imaginary of f of z is greater than 0, then real of z equal to constant second, first, seconds, and f is constant. So that is here another. Next go to the another property. If properties है फंक्शन ऐसा हो तो that is here रियल ऑब्जेक्ट कांस्टेंट होगा और फंक्शन f of g also कांस्टेंट होंगे. मैं all properties write कर रहा हूँ here and then you write down. So now friends, here some properties again. If entire function has no singularity at infinites, then is merely constant. Has no singularities at infinites, so that is the constants. If entire function and if imaginary of f of z is greater than or equal to 0, that's the real of z constant, f is the constants. If an entire function of transcendental function has essential singularity at infinity, important, that is. Next, this importance, an entire function f of such that c tending to c is a complex number has removable singularity, that is removable singularities at infinities if and only if f z is constant. Lower removable singularities f is the constant, that is an entire removal at z equal to infinity, and we get the removable singularity, that is which is entire function. Simple. An entire function here, this is complex numbers, has a pole at infinity of order k, then if and only if non-constants, fz is non-constant polynomials of degree k. So that is here some properties. Next go to the another properties. फ्रेंड्स मैंने जिस चीज जस्ट कलेक्शन किया है तो आपको राइट डाउन करिए और इससे रिलेटेड सब थ्योरम्स आप पढ़ सकते हैं. सो अगर इफ an entire function makes an entire function transcendental if and only if f of 1 by z has essential singularities at z equal to 0. Next, f is entire, then e raised to f of z is also entire. Entire function have no singular point. Have no singular points, no singular point, but can have zeros. But can have is zeros. इसमें डिनोमिनेटर्स होते ही नहीं है, याद रखिए. That is the denominator. So singularity. Entire function can have no singular points, but it can have zeros. So that is important. Next, just say for examples, में हम जा सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स, एग्जांपल में कैसे ले सकते हैं, जैसे e raised to z sin of z cos z etc. So that is entire function एग्जांपल। तो इस तरह से आप चेक कर सकते हैं और फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। जैसे सपोज मान लीजिए हम एक क्वेश्चंस लिखते हैं कि f of z is equal to 1 upon e raised to z minus 1 which is entire or not, check out which is entire or not, ठीक है। यदि है कि f of z equal to 1 upon e raised to z minus 1 which is entire or not, तो पहला वर्क है कि अगर आप फाइंड आउट करें और ये ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट्स पे एनालिटिक्स होना चाहिए। तो जैसे मान लीजिए e raised to z minus 1 equal to 0 imply that e raised to z equal to 1, otherwise e raised to बोले this is n pi I कर सकते हैं आप, 2n pi I, 2n pi I, so that is z is equal to n pi I, 2n pi I, so z equal to 2n pi I function is एनालिटिक। हियर कर देंगे cos 2n pi हो जाएगा sin plus 2n pi, that is represented cos of 2n pi plus I sin 2n pi, so that is 1 which is n which is 0, so that is 1. So it means here कि for z equal to 2n pi I fz is not analytic, ठीक है। मीन्स ये जब आप पुटअप कर देंगे तो f of z टेंडिंग टू इनफाइनाइट मीन्स कह रहे हैं कि लिमिट ऑफ z टेंडिंग टू 2n pi I f of z is equal to infinite. Put here, when we simplify, then we get the infinite, means function is not analytics. So that case we can say that here f of z which is not entire. So which is not entire function. तो अब ये ऐसे आपको प्रॉब्लम्स रिमेंबर दैट इज अ सिंपल लॉजिक एंड चेक आउट दिस इज सो विच इज नॉट इंटायर फंक्शन। तो नेक्स्ट कम टू द पॉइंट्स आर नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम्स। अब कम टू द नेक्स्ट जो टॉपिक्स हमारा फंक्शन वाज द मेरिमॉर्फिक फंक्शन, दिस वेरी यूनिक प्रॉब्लम्स एंड बहुत ही लॉजिक एंड थ्योरम बेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं इससे रिलेटेड। सो टेक केयर्स एंड फ्रेंड्स सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, लाइक्स जरूर दें करें, कमेंट्स दें एंड शेयर करें फ्रेंड्स को। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।